Welcome to FloydHub. FloydHub is a cloud environment to build and train your deep learning and machine learning models. You can use FloydHub to build any kind of model you need. For example, a model that can automatically tell if the sentiment of a movie review is positive or negative. It can identify the breed of a dog from its picture. You can use FloydHub by yourselves or with your team members and collaborate with them. Let me show you some core features of FloydHub. When you start using FloydHub, the first thing you will see are workspaces. You can think of workspaces as your model development machines in the cloud. They are like your laptop, but super powerful and can be accessed from anywhere. Workspaces come pre-installed with the popular machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. You can also add any missing dependencies and get to work. You can add any dataset that you need to your workspace at the click of a button. This could be the datasets that you uploaded or one of thousands of publicly available datasets on FloydHub. Workspace also shows statistics from the machine you're using. It alerts you when you're low on resources like memory, so you can tweak your training code and continue building your model. You can shut down your workspace when you're done and come back to it when you need it. Sometimes you need a powerful GPU to speed up your model training. You can easily do that with Workspaces. Once you have coded your algorithm, you can submit long-running training jobs on FloydHub. The platform will provision the required machines in the cloud and start tracking and monitoring them. You can view real-time metrics like loss and accuracy. With this information, you and your team members will be able to quickly identify the best performing models. You can then deliver this model to your customers as an API, also from FloydHub. This API can be accessed from a variety of places, like an iPhone app, a drone, or your backend server. FloydHub is an end-to-end machine learning platform that makes it incredibly easy to build, train, and deploy your models. Can't wait to see what you're going to build on FloydHub.